Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the waterfall in La Fortuna.
Never lost roamer with Phil Ernest.
So this is the big welcome sign, welcome you into the waterfall here. And here's a lot of the tour buses that park when you first come in here. Here's what it looks like from the outside coming into this place, where you pay your $20 entrance fee into the waterfall. Then you sign a waiver. They give you a little arm bracelet like that, and you're good to go. In addition to that front parking lot, they have an overflow parking lot here, and then also another overflow over here. So plenty of parking. Look how they stack them in this way, in the middle, and out that way. Okay, so this is, you get your ticket, you sign away a little waiver form. They give you one of those little armbands like this, and you're ready to go. And here's the little bridge you cross over to start your little trek to the waterfall. Right when you first come in, they got bathrooms here, and then a little walkway starting out over here. And of course, souvenirs. Oh, it looks like a nice lookout point coming up over here. Let's go check that out. They also have a drinking water here if you want the water's safe here to drink. So you can fill up your bottle there. Another thing, they have a restaurant here, the Rio Lounge. So if you want to eat something after working up an appetite out at the waterfall, look at this, a little lounge here. Get something to eat with TVs, all the amenities, just like home. Here's the lookout. Oh, looks like you can see it from here, the waterfall. Okay. So that's the destination right there. And here's the little things you want to know before entering this trail. 600-meter hike, moderately steep throughout, 500 steps. Basic general rules that you'd want to have in every park. And the journey begins. And here's the steps, 500 of them. Going down is always easier than, of course, going up. You're a little bit more refreshed earlier in the day, and after swimming and getting tired, it'll be a little harder coming up, but let's see how it goes. So right about now, we're about halfway down to the waterfall. No steps at this point right here. And here we go, over a little bridge. You know, we're getting very close now. Whoa, almost missed that last step. So, let's see. You can see the waterfall right there, going over this last little bridge area. Almost there. Took us about less than 10 minutes to get down. Let's go check out this viewpoint from here first. Let's see, look at this. Wow. There's all the people swimming down near the waterfall right there. Look at that. So a crowd's starting to come in. One of the things you don't want to do is get too close to that waterfall, because it'll suck you down in and pull you down under. So that's why you want to just stay a little clear of it, swim around it, because that can happen very easily before you know it. Okay, so let's go down and take a closer view of this waterfall here, where the people are swimming at. Careful, watch your step here with all these rocks. Careful footing. And there it is, look at this. From eye level, right here. People around swimming in this area. Okay, so now it's time for me to go in this waterfall and test it out and see how this feels. Let's go. It did feel good to take a swim and get out from the hot temperature, but the water was also cold, and there was a strong breeze blowing right off of the waterfall. Thankfully, there is another way to cool down from the hot La Fortuna sun. Just off to the side of the waterfall, you can relax in the river and enjoy the nice water without being blown away from the strong wind coming off of the waterfall. Okay, so there you have it, showing you around the La Fortuna waterfall. Next up, I'll show you the city of La Fortuna. So the first thing you'll see if you're traveling in from San Jose is this strip of the road. They do have banks here, this bank to your right, and on the other side of the road they do have another bank, so you don't have to worry about getting money. They do take American dollars, which makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about losing money on the transaction. In the this strip of town is 1.5 miles long from start to finish, or 2.5 kilometers. In the center of town, you'll find La Fortuna Park. This is a well-manicured park right in the heart of La Fortuna. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. This park, people like to come and hang out with family and friends, especially in the evening time when the weather starts to cool down. There's the Costa Rican flag blowing very nicely in the wind, and also this fountain lights up really nice in the evening time. Behind the fountain is the Catholic Church. Let me go in now and show you a little bit of what this church looks like from the inside. It's quite different from what you would expect. And this is the back of it. So what you least expect, didn't expect much because the windows aren't stained glass, but the checkered floor with the blue ceiling kind of works. Look at this church. It's like Jesus busting out of the clouds. Unbelievable. Never seen anything like that. Now a little bit onto other stuff that they have in the city. They have a spa if you're into that kind of stuff, want a massage. They also have tour companies that'll take you on ATV, rafting, hot springs, see the volcano, go hiking, a chocolate factory. So they have all kinds of things that you can do if you're interested in that as well. And there's a lot of places to get something to eat along this way. There's bakery shops if you're into that kind of thing, coffee, more sweets, plenty of that. And also a rent-a-car company across the street here, Enterprise or Elmo. If you want to rent a car and see a little bit more of Costa Rica, you can do that as well. And right across the street from the rent-a-car, they have the hotels. So this town, even though this strip is very small, it's pretty much happening. And to show you at night what the nightlife kind of looks like as the sun starts to go down, here's where what the restaurants look like when they're fully opened and people are packing into the place. They've again got more dessert shops for ice cream, and then even more restaurants with all type of different foods, not just Costa Rican food. Check out the volcano right there. Look at that. Looks like it's ready to erupt with the low clouds. This is the city, and the after sun has just set. Lighting up, getting ready for the evening. People start to come out. Streets, as you can see, are a lot more packed. And at the very end of the 1.5 mile strip, you'll find this place. It's a sloth park where you can come and get up close and personal with the sloths. They are indigenous to this part of the world. So if you've never seen a sloth and are interested in seeing one and learning about it, this is the place to come. You'll also find the business hours. It shows right here what the hours are and how long the tour goes for. So that will more than do it with this video showing you the waterfall and the city of La Fortuna. If you would like to see my other videos of Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.
Never lost roamer with Phil.